In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Apollo.io account. By the end, you'll know exactly where the option lives in the dashboard and what it means for your subscription and access. Start by signing into your Apollo.io account on a desktop browser. If you're part of a team workspace, make sure you're using an admin account. Only admins will see the settings we're about to open. From your main dashboard, head to Admin Settings. You'll usually find this from the sidebar menu, often behind a gear icon. Opening Admin Settings takes you to the area where organization level controls live, including billing and plan management. Inside Admin Settings, go to Plan Overview. This page summarizes your current plan, renewal date, seat count, and billing status. It's the central place where Apollo shows the details tied to your subscription, so it's the right spot when you're preparing to stop service or close things out. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct workspace if you manage more than one. The name of the workspace and the plan tier should match what you expect. On the plan overview page, look for the option labeled Cancel Subscription. Depending on your interface version, it might appear as a button, a link, or within a billing or action section. This is the control that initiates the end of your paid plan and begins the process associated with shutting down your account subscription. If you don't see it, double check that you have admin permissions and that you're in the correct workspace. Some interfaces group this control under plans or billing, so scanning those headings can help. A quick note on what canceling typically means. Canceling your subscription stops future billing, often at the end of the current cycle. Access to paid features may continue until your term runs out and then will end or downgrade. Data retention and account closure policies can vary by region and plan, so it's a good idea to review the notes shown near the cancel option on this page. Those notes usually explain when charges stop, how long access remains, and what happens to stored data after cancellation. To recap the flow you followed, open Admin Settings from your dashboard, move to Plan Overview to see your billing details, and locate Cancel Subscription in that section. That's the path where Apollo places the option you need when you're ready to stop service and proceed toward closing the account. Take your time reviewing the information on the Plan Overview page so you're fully informed before proceeding. When you're comfortable, the Cancel Subscription control is right there in Plan Overview where you expect it.